Can you believe this car was the dream car of countless men back then? This first-generation Rolls-Royce Silver was produced in 1981. It is a precious short car that an old collector of classic cars from Guangdong has collected for nearly 40 years. Aging of instrument panel wood, inner layer cracking, serious aging marks of interior leather. The body shows signs of sheet metal Hitakawa in many places. The chassis parts of the vehicle have become a show. He commissioned us to restore the car to the way we first met him. Let's see if we can give him a brand new white car after we break it up and refurbish it. Masters, it's time for you to demonstrate your skills. Now you can check the cabin without hindrance. The owner is really good at engine maintenance. You can give us some oil and it will work normally. It's just that you forgot to take out the wrench when repairing it. Okay, let's hurry up and check the condition of the chassis. After the inspection, let's listen to the master's most serious answer. Bought and repaired. It's not repaired, what's the use? It seems that this is not the first time you have come to the restoration plant. Just stop here. Okay, one-time complete renovation. The sound insulation layer is directly pasted with tape. No wonder it works. We will seal all the original car accessories by category. Next, remove the interior dashboard. Every part and circuit needs to be marked. If you want to ask why the master does this crisscrossing and disorganized laying of lines will tell you the answer. After the interior is disassembled, the auto mechanics are officially on the scene. Many nuts are rusted and rotten. The rust marks on the water pipe are also very serious. After cleaning the electrical wiring in the cabin, ready to remove the whole car's heart from the engine, since our engine can move normally, so it only needs to be cleaned and simply refurbished. This exhaust gas has been pasted on it at least. The last oil separator left so many electrodes and screws in the engine. No wonder the master found that the oil separator was still camping when he checked. Next, the master will clean and diagnose the engine as a whole. Replace cylinder gasket. Rust removal on dry ice. Finally, brush every pillow with engine-specific cleaning agent. After the cleaning is completed, the engine is sent to the upper protector of the off-plan room. At this moment, the body master in the sheet metal workshop is ready to start the meticulous repair work on him. First, scrape and polish all rust on the body. A model for repairing tiny rust stone chains. At this time, rust stones like this have already appeared in front of everyone. This kind of place that needs to be repaired is more than a dozen places in the whole car. Next, follow the steps of the plate bar accident to see how it is repaired. In the first step, the master uses the pre-printed sample material to passively size. The template here also needs to constantly adjust the flatness and its amplitude to restore the flatness before repair to the greatest extent. The next step is to cut the tendons that need to be repaired. The car body with rust stone appearance often has rust water inside. After cleaning up the residue, you need to polish the cutting bottle. Put the adjusted repair button on the car and locate it. Press and beat on the front frame to fit. Repair the plate ribs and fit them tightly, and then rest assured. We will repair the rust stones and other parts of the body in the same way. In this way, the repair work of our car body plate tendons has been completed. The next step is to hand over the car body to the off-plan master for full-scale polishing and paint removal work. Make the cake batter enough. Don't look at him now. He is naked and not very beautiful, and he will be especially changed by Master Pan An. First, a layer of Basita. Instrument complete. Next, the traitor dies. This paint effect is really great. In order to achieve such an effect, our master is also painstaking. After many swatch tweaks, the factory paint color of the car is restored. One last BSF parrot week. Resist scratches and improve paint texture. And then finally, there's the polishing process. Our paint renovation should be completed. At the same time, masters in other workshops are also working on renovations. Stainless steel exterior keys, repolished, refurbished, babysitter, save until final assembly. We redrilled and retrained all chassis parts and repainted them for the protection period. On the other hand, Master Pengdian is also working on the author's division simultaneously. Waiting to get on the bus, finally tried to refurbish and repair the final link of assembly. Get the most important engine on first. Let's listen to the roar of this 6.75-liter large V engine. Many of these accessories are rubbed out by our department itself. Including these joints that you can see now, they are all copied 1.1 with reference to the original car parts. Then install the remaining accessories and interior mirrors. The original car has been refurbished. Let's take a look at the performance of the finished product. This is the end of this Rolls-Royce Silver Bell repair video. See you next time.